All right, Madeline. Here is a granola bar. Show how 3 people could share this granola bar equally. Okay, tell me what you did.
I did halves and I marked it right there, and then I just did a little bit off for these two.
Okay, and so how do you know that that's equal? How could you prove it?
Maybe doing like your fingers right here, and then right here, and right here.
Okay, what would this one piece be called?
One share the size of 1/3.
What was that?
One share the size of 1/3.
Say it one more time.
One share the size of 1/3.
One shares the size of 1/3. Okay, got it. Okay, so here is a rectangle. Show 1 out of 4 equal parts.
Wait, what?
1 out of 4 equal parts. Okay, tell me about what you did.
I did 1 out of 4. Like,
What are you noticing?
I noticed that it's not 4 right here. And
Okay.
I think one has to be shaded in. So these 3 are out, and I have to shade that one in.
Okay. Do you want to try it again with a different card? Okay. Okay. So when you look at this rectangle, tell me what you do.
I did 4 right here, and I did 1 shaded in.
Okay. So out of this whole rectangle, that's 1 out of 4 pieces. Okay. So now I'm going to give you a rectangle. And how could you share this with yourself and 4 people? So 5 people in all. Now, what I want you to do, though, is only make 1 mark to mark off your share. So I'll repeat that again. Here's a rectangle, and you're going to share it with you and 4 other people. So 5 people in all. Make 1 mark to show or mark off your share, what your share would be. Just 1 mark. Okay. So why did you put your mark there?
Because I folded it in 4s, and then I looked at it closely and I saw that one ended right here and then here and then here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what could you do to prove that your share, your piece, is 1/5?
Maybe you could cut it up.
Okay. And then what could you do with that piece to prove that it's 1/5?
So this is the one I did.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one matches up,
Does it?
kind of.
Okay.
And this one matches. And this one matches up.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a little bit longer.
Okay.
This one matches up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And same with this one.
Okay. What might you do next time? Because I heard you say like this one matches up a little bit, this one matches up a little bit. What might you do different next time to make sure that they're all equal?
Maybe.
Here, I'll give you another.
Like, and then line 1 and then a little bit like right there.
Okay.
2.
Only one mark. So what if you cut that one piece off? How could you show that they were all equal? Or that your share was equal?
Measure over the top.
Okay, let me see. You just take, yeah, you can take the one that you cut last time. Can you use this paper to show me?
Two. 3. 4, 5.
Okay. So how many pieces did there have to be total if you were sharing?
5.
And what would your piece be called?
1 share the size of 1/5.
One what?
1 share the size of 1/5.
One share the size of 1/5. Okay. So now I am going to give you another fraction strip. And I want you to shade in 2 parts. What fraction of the whole strip is shaded?
2.
2? What fraction
Oh,
of the whole?
2 shares the size of 1/7. Wait. Yeah.
So what is it called again? The
One
parts
shares
that
the
are
size.
shaded.
2 shares the size of 1/7.
2 shares the size of 1/7. Is that what you said? Okay. I'm going to give you one that looks the same, but then I'm also going to give you a blank one. Cut off 2 parts from the unmarked strip Go ahead. Cut 2 parts off of the unmarked strip.
Like 2 separate?
You can do it the same, either way. So let's just put it back over here. So what part, or I'm sorry, this right here is what fraction of the whole?
2 shares the size of, no. 2 shares the size of 1/7 again.
2 shares the size of 1/7 again. Okay, and what is the remaining part? What fraction is the remaining part?
1 share the size of 1/5.
1 share the size of 1/5. Okay. Okay, so use the scissors to cut off what you think would be 1/5 of one rectangle. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to give you 2 of them. Is that the same one? Okay, so let me try that again. Use the scissors to cut off what you think would be 1/5 of one rectangle. Okay, how can you find out if your piece is 1/5?
I did 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, and so you're saying that's 1/5 of the whole rectangle. Okay. All right, we are done. Thank you very much.